Consumer electronics, Jim. Not only does Morgan Stanley cut HPQ to equal weight, they cut Dell to underweight.
Yeah, I thought that was odd.
They worry about not just consumer demand normalizing, but IT hardware spend amid all the geopolitical uncertainty.
Yeah, like IP hardware spend has been, Dell did not have a good quarter. We had Enrique Lores on the show on HPQ saying that business was actually quite strong except for the consumer. Dell is not that consumer. Dell is mostly enterprise. I don't want to go against these calls. Dell's been down because of the last quarter. I do want to say that HPQ has been adamant that things are good, but then they made that acquisition with Poly, so I'm not so sure whether I really want to step against that downgrade.
And then on top of all of that, you got Barclays cutting AMD to neutral, 115. They still see them as a share gainer, Jim. But again, talking about the risk of end demand weakening. You hate this call? I
said yesterday the Chapel Trust would sell it if it could, sell some. And the reason why is because when you look at we've been restricted. When you look at the breakdown of AMD, you've got gaming, which we think has weakened. You've got PC, which is weakened, but you've got high-performance computing, which is strong, and then you've got the merger with Xilinx, which we don't know how it's going to come out. Xilinx business is slower than AMD, but how quickly can Lisa Su cut what she needs to cut? I'm not against, look, the downgrade. I mean, we were like, we were adamant yesterday at our 1020 meeting that we would have sold a lot of AMD. It's both just to get to our distribution, which I mentioned the money going to humanitarian concerns in Ukraine, but also because we do think that we predicted that someone would downgrade it, and they downgraded it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.